So I have saved y'all the agony of listening to the saw. When you cut this out, cut it out just a little bit bigger than what your door edge is, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's your door. There's your door edge right there. Now make sure you got enough space. So let me get that out of the way. You can get the door in there, providing it fits. I haven't tried it in here yet. Okay, so it fits like that. Now you have to make sure you got enough space. See that little lip right there? You gotta make sure you have enough space that this lip, once the door is up there and screwed in, that this lip will fit in there to hide your ugly edges. And if it screws along here, we'll see what it looks like when we get to that point. But make your pattern like I did. I actually took the door and leaned up against something so I can open it and trace around this outer edge right here, all the way around. Don't forget about this half inch. Is half inch up off the ground. This sets right there, so it won't be up. Won't really be up off the ground. You sit right there. See a quick view. See that bottom lip down there? Just like that, goes in. All right. And then once that's in, then you put this in and secure this in whichever fashion looks good to you at the time. And I'll show you my piece I made. I did have to sacrifice a nice piece of wood to make a nice pattern, but like I said, it's a nice pattern. I can use it again. But it only fits this particular style of door. This won't work for those doors that are rounded on all four corners that sit up a little bit. But we let it go with the doors that sit down, so you don't have that pain in your thigh when you're sitting there hanging your legs out. Okay, that's it for the modified teardrop, or modified Benroy, which is a teardrop camper, 5x8. Thanks for watching.